Hello, I'm Jay,
And I'm Amy.
and we'd like to say a happy Independence Day from Harvest Moon Homestead. We at this time would like to say how this ties into what we do. To us, the independence of being able to choose what we do and how we do, the freedoms that it allows us to choose the type of foods we eat, that we produce for other people to consume. It's special, so it ties in to the independence to which a lot of we're losing anymore, a lot of freedoms we are losing. So by choosing this type of lifestyle, it helps us obtain those goals. Any thoughts on it, Amy?
I feel this is the most anarchist thing you can do is by growing your own, because you're not participating in large companies.
True. By living remote like this, it provides a security for us, an independence, and a freedom. And that's what Independence Day is about. It's about securing those independences, the freedoms that have slowly been eroded away from people, the choices they've been able to make. So, in celebrating the 4th of July, we'd like to wish you all a happy Independence Day and hope that you're able to pursue those independence feelings. Nothing else? Other than that, we hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July and go out and pursue your dreams. That's all for today, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you very much.